What is entrepreneurship? It is a sport. If life is fun and work is fun, then it's just fun. So it's serious fun. If you really want to read any book, it is your customer. Go to your customer, sit with your customer, be friend with him. So be bindas, dil se go and talk to your customers, be authentic, use your heart, do dil se, trust me, deals work out. So it's been 14 plus years I've been working in the high-tech industry, and I started as an engineer, but I wanted to understand the business model and the larger spectrum of things. And it's been a decade I've been working in product management, and I eat, sleep and drink products. That has always been my forte. So that's why here I am, to help any startup understand product market fit, or how do they scale and how do they really make money, because that's the real thing. For entrepreneurs to come up, we need them to take risks, which they already are, I think, but there has to be a realistic understanding even from the venture capital world to build a triple bottom line. When I mean by triple bottom line, I mean purposeful startups which focus on people, profit and planet, because profit is not everything, and by the way, most of the startups are not making profit itself. So understanding the monetization process is very important. You don't have to grow at a rapid accelerated rate, but you have to grow at a rate which is healthy enough. Work-life balance, it's an ethical dilemma actually, and the reason is because no matter how much we go for work-life balance, you are going for a total addressable market, right? And the fastest you're going to capture a TAM is going to have a strategic positional advantage. Keeping that in perspective, I think it's really hard today to actually strike a work-life balance if you're an entrepreneur. What is entrepreneurship? It is a sport. If life is fun and work is fun, then it's just fun. So it's serious fun. Okay, so you need to have sense of fear, which is very important because you need to be serious, but you need to have sense of fun and sense of focus. So fear, fun and focus, the 3 F factors really have to blend in together. So I think take it as a sport, and the beauty of this sport is that you can recalibrate your engine and reconfigure without and play with new rules. So I always say that building a company is not only evolutionary, but it is everyday work in progress, and you need to be a subservient leader where we need to work together with the teams on a daily basis to win their trust, empower them, and don't have leaders in your organization. That's a myth. What you need to have is a leadership platform, because when you have leaders, people will be on the backstage and you'll be 3-4 will be shining. What you need to do is you need to go on the backstage, and that is what a true leader is, and create a leadership platform. That can only happen if you give them small stages where they can empower themselves. I will say the only book you read is your customer. If you really want to read any book, it is your customer. Go to your customer, sit with your customer, be friend with him, and even your competitors' customers. Everybody in the organization should be a salesman. If you can't do sales, trust me, it's all wishy-washy talk in the air. Not only for entrepreneurs, but for everyone in the organization, there should be a rotational policy. Trust me on this, because when you are on the field and you can go down in the trenches, people love you. So sales is very important, not only to inspire people, but that is where the real action is. So be bindas, dil se go and talk to your customers, be authentic, and salesmen should not use PPTs, they should use their heart. I'm still saying many salesmen use PPTs, explain 40 features. No. Be authentic, use your heart, do dil se, trust me, deals work out.